In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the notification settings within HubSpot for the year 2025. This guide is designed to help you manage your notifications more efficiently, ensuring you stay updated without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot User Guide. This is your central hub for accessing all the resources you might need within the platform. You can easily find the user guide by navigating to your homepage and selecting it from there. If you're already familiar with how to get around HubSpot, this should be a straightforward step for you. Once you're in the user guide section, the next thing you'll want to do is head over to the settings. Navigating to settings may sound general, but it's the gateway to customizing how your HubSpot experience unfolds. You'll likely find the settings icon somewhere near the top of your screen or in a drop-down menu. Just click on it and you'll be on your way. After accessing the settings, find the Notifications tab. Clicking on Notifications will bring you to a new page where you can see all the available notification preferences. This section is crucial for tailoring notification alerts to your specific needs. Whether it's for leads, email updates, or chat messages, each type of notification can usually be customized here. Now, once you're in the Notifications section, look for the Other Apps category. This option is typically found within the notification settings and is essential if you use various integrated applications with HubSpot. Selecting Other Apps lets you manage how these external applications send notifications to you via HubSpot. Next, you'll want to click on the Mobile App option. This is particularly important if you're someone who frequently checks HubSpot on the go. By customizing your mobile app notifications, you ensure that you only receive alerts that are truly necessary, which helps prevent your phone from being bombarded with constant updates. This focus on the mobile aspect of your notification settings is crucial in today's fast-paced, mobile-first world. In conclusion, navigating through your HubSpot notification settings might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but once you know where to go, it becomes a straightforward process. By visiting the user guide, accessing the settings, and customizing your notification preferences under Other Apps and Mobile App sections, you can tailor your alerts to serve you best. This way, HubSpot is helping you stay informed about what matters most without unnecessary distractions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in optimizing your HubSpot experience. Remember, properly set notifications can enhance your productivity and ensure that you never miss an important update.